Want to take control of where your downloads go in Opera GX? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the default download location in just a few clicks. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if this helped you. First, open your Opera GX browser. Next, click the icon Settings. Or you can simply press Alt+P on Windows or CMD+S on Mac to open the Settings menu instantly. In Search tab Location, you'll see the current download folder. Click Change, select your preferred folder, and confirm the selection. From now on, all your downloads will be saved in this new folder. If you want to manually choose a download location each time, toggle the option, ask where to save each file before downloading. You've successfully changed your download location in Opera GX. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more quick tech tips, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.